new here, welcome. My name is Laruta Bella. Thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate all of you guys, and my old subscriber, thank you so much. I really appreciate all of you. It really means a lot to me that you guys supporting me, and I'm really grateful. So thank you so much. So as you can see on the title, today's video, it's about armpits. Like, right, as African American woman, brown skin, light skin, you know, dark skin, we tend to have, you know, a dark armpits, and we didn't born with that like that, right? But it's certain routine that we do over time that, you know, make our armpits look a little bit darker, right? So one of so today I'm going to talk about how can you avoid to have that dark armpit, and also what you need to do to line your armpit and make it look presentable, make it look, you know, nice, and you can wear anything without having, you know, to worry about, you know, down there. So one thing that we need to look on our routine when we're taking a shower is deodorant, because deodorant, a lot of deodorant nowadays has chemical, and most of those chemical can cause, you know, your armpits to darken with over time. So when you're using it over time, it's gonna change the color, it's gonna become darker. So first thing you need to do when you're buying any deodorant, I would suggest you first of all to buy any deodorant that is natural, that doesn't have any chemical. That will actually help you, because those chemicals, that's the thing that really not helping us, you know, down there. So first thing, deodorant. Get something it's no chemical, get something it's natural, it's organic. There's so many brands out there that you can find. So the second one is exfoliation, right? I know a lot of people can go through entire life without, and they never exfoliate, and their body will look perfect. But some of us, it's not the case. We have to exfoliate our body to remove dead skin, to remove anything that it's not looking nice, is not looking presentable. So exfoliating your armpits, exfoliating your body actually helps a lot to remove those dead skin. So I'm gonna show you actually a nice DIY that we can do together that can help you to exfoliate your armpits, and with over time you see that your armpits will look nicer. And if you cannot use the DIY, you can always find like a very good scrub, you know, to exfoliate your armpits. That will help you a lot. And number 3, it's shaving. I know a lot of people shave, and for me, for example, when I shave, when I use like a razor, it gives me like bumps, it gives me like ingrown hair, and those ingrown hair usually doesn't go away for a very long time. Usually it will take 3 to 6 months, you know, to grow away. So if you kind of that person have like a sensitive skin, having a hard time when you oops, someone is calling me. When you have like so when you have like bumps after you shave, try to use like there's a shaving cream that way you don't have to use razor, you just put it in your skin, or you put it anywhere that you want to shave after 5 to 10 minutes, and everything is gone without you using a razor. So that actually helps, because it's not giving you any bumps, it's not giving you any ingrown hair. So that's also one of the options that you can do to eliminate you know, to have, you know, armpits that looks very, very dark. So now that I explained to you, now that I give you some tips on how to do and what to do to actually avoid having dark armpit, now I'm going to show you what actually you can use to, you know, actually to have a nice armpit with no discoloration. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and do those DIY. Just stick around. Brown sugar actually help you to exfoliate your skin, clearing away dry and dead skin cells. So it's really good. It's also uh, it helps your actually the part that it's really dark. It's really gonna help to exfoliate and help your skin to look clear. So that's why I said before that exfoliating your body, it's really important. So the next ingredient we're gonna add honey. You guys know honey moisturize deeply your skin, and it's also a gentle exfoliator. It also helps to line your armpits, like anywhere that it's dark. The mixture of sugar and um sugar and what honey actually really help. And on top of that, we're gonna add lemon. You guys know lemon has a vitamin C, and vitamin C help to reduce skin damage. So basically those dark armpit, it's a skin key that is damaged, so you need to treat it. So this scrub really is gonna help. As you can see, you have to mix it well to get a best paste, a good paste, and apply it for good 3 to 5 minutes and scrub it very well. So the next scrub here is coffee. Like I was saying, our next scrub is coffee scrub. Coffee actually, it's very good. It reduce any inflammation that you have down there. Like I was saying, I mentioned earlier that if you have ingrown hair, it's gonna help the bumps to go down, and it also improves your blood circulation, because that's what we need. It gives you a youthful, radiant skin, and it remove dead skin cells. So that's what we need. And also, like I mentioned earlier, that honey, it's a very gentle exfoliator, so it helps you to gently exfoliate your armpit to make it lighter, to make it look lighter. And the next one, we're gonna add milk. Milk has vitamin B6 and vitamin B12 that promote formation of new cells. So it really helps, like the mixture of milk, coffee and honey really helps. So for this one as well, same thing like I mentioned earlier, the first our first scrub. So you just scrub it for good 3 to 5 minutes or 10 minutes, and after that you wash it off. So our last one is our mask for armpits. So the first ingredient is yogurt. So yogurt actually moisturizes and heals dry skin. It also has a source of vitamin B, B2, B5 and B12, which have to moisturize, hydrate and heal dry skin. It's really good. And the next one is turmeric. Turmeric is the best because it contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory components. So those characteristics may provide glow and luster to the skin. So turmeric is the best mask that you need to brighten out its natural glow. So your natural glow, your natural skin tone will come out after using turmeric. It's really a good product to brighten your skin in general. And again, we're gonna add honey, and also last but not least, we're gonna add lemon. All these four ingredients, guys, it's amazing. This is a mask that you need to put down there for until it dries out. This one really it depends on the amount that you're putting there and how long it's gonna dry. Usually I'll leave it for 15 to 20 minutes until it dries out, and then remove it. And just be careful when you remove and you washing turmeric. You have to make sure that you wash it thoroughly and avoid wearing any light clothes. Okay, so the last one, this is my favorite one, guys. I use lemon on almost everything.
when we're talking about cooking, we're talking about my body. Yes, I use lemon a lot on a daily basis, and this is my favorite one. Why? Because I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna demonstrate how I use lemon on my armpit to not only reduce that, brighten my armpit, but he also remove the odor. Like, you can go through the day with, once you apply lemon on your armpit, you can sweat, you can do whatever you want, nobody gonna smell you. It give you that freshness, you feel so fresh down there. It's so good. Like, as you can see, my armpit, it's clear. I do this every single day. Like 7 out of 7 I use lemon.
Yeah, so that was it for today's video. Like I mentioned earlier, try to get a nice deodorant that don't have any chemical that will help you, and also exfoliate your body once or twice a week. That will help you tremendously. And shave. Make sure that you don't use a razor, or if you use a razor, find a razor that don't give you any bumps. There's so many of them there. And also, one thing that I forgot to tell you guys, you need to moisturize down there, right? After you take a shower, or after you shave, make sure you put a nice moisturizer down there. Usually what I put like oil, coconut oil or olive oil really works wonder. Within 2 to 3 days, I'll just put coconut oil or olive oil, any oil that works for your body. Go ahead and use it, so that way it's gonna not only moisturize your body, but it's gonna avoid you to, because sometimes you have like if you have a sensitive skin, you tend to to scratch yourself after you shave. Your skin looks very sensitive, very soft, very smooth. So if when you put oil like that, it helps you to not have any reaction. You don't feel like you have to touch it all the time. So that's what I do. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please share with friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. What do you think? What do you actually use? If you use this product, if you use this method. If not, I hope you learned something from this video. So thanks again for watching this video, and I'll see you next time with another video.